In the shadow of the Himalayas, over 2.5 millennia ago, a journey began that would change the course of human history. In the sacred Lumbini Gardens, Prince Siddhartha was born under a sal tree, amidst a rain of divine flowers and celestial light. He was raised in the grand city of Kapilvastu, a place of ivory towers and golden gates, shielded from the harsh realities of the world. His father, King Saddhodana, feared a prophecy that his son would leave the throne. He ordered the palace gates closed to keep the prince's heart bound. Siddhartha lived in extreme luxury, mastering the arts and weaponry, yet his spirit remained restless within the golden walls. Despite the banquets and music, he often looked toward the distant horizon, sensing a profound emptiness in his sheltered life. Driven by curiosity, he secretly ventured outside. There, he encountered an old man, witnessing for the first time the physical toll of time. Next, he saw a man suffering from disease, realizing that the body's health is fragile and status offers no protection from pain. The third sight was a funeral procession. The prince was confronted with the ultimate finality of death, shattering his illusions of immortality. Finally, he met a wandering ascetic. The man's peace in the face of suffering revealed a possible path to liberation. In the dead of night, Siddhartha bid a silent farewell to his family. He chose to leave his life of royalty to seek the truth. He rode into the forest, cut his long hair with his sword, and traded his fine silks for the rags of a beggar. For 6 years, he lived as an ascetic, pushing his body to extreme limits of fasting and meditation, searching for an end to suffering, realizing that extreme denial was as futile as extreme indulgence. He accepted a bowl of rice, discovering the wisdom of the middle way. Beneath a massive Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya, he sat down, vowing not to rise until he attained ultimate understanding. The demon Mara launched a fierce assault, using fear and temptation to break his resolve. But the prince remained as steady as the earth. As arrows of fire rained down, they were transformed into beautiful lotus flowers by the power of his compassion. With the rising of the morning star, his mind cleared and he became the Buddha. The awakened one had found the path to peace. He began to teach, delivering his first sermon at Deer Park. He spoke of the Four Noble Truths and the path to ending sorrow. For decades, he walked across the land, welcoming all into his Sangha, from the poorest beggars to the mightiest kings. In Kushinagar, the elderly Buddha passed away into parinirvana, leaving behind a legacy of wisdom that would span millennia. Today, his teachings remain a beacon of hope, reminding us that enlightenment is possible for every human heart.